Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. So in our last video, we have learned how we can make a curved slab in Tekla structures. And today, we will learn how you can provide the reinforcement. But for that, we will not use the applications. Instead, we will use the rebar set. And we are doing this because one of our viewer has asked how we can use the rebar set to provide the reinforcement. So let's get started. So first of all, I will go to concrete and then rebar set, and there I will get a number of options, but I will choose create rebar by face. Now suppose I want to provide the reinforcement in my curved slab. So first of all, I will go to the wireframe view and there I will choose the face and the direction in which I want my rebar set. So here you can see I can provide the reinforcement in any of the direction I want. Similarly, you can do it for flat slabs too. And if you want to provide the reinforcement in the bottom of the slab and you are finding it difficult to provide it this way, then you can use two methods. Either you can just select all these rebars and move it to the bottom of the slab, or you can go to the bottom view and from there you can choose your desired face. Like I want to provide my reinforcement over here, so I will just select the slab, go to concrete, rebar set, create rebars by face and provide the reinforcements. So this way I can provide the reinforcement in bottom of my slab using the rebar set. And of course you can change all the properties like the spacing, number of the bars and everything over here. And you can also change the color, the bending radius, the size of the bars, grade of the steel, everything from the properties box. So this is how you can use your rebar set to ease your reinforcement detailing. So that was all for today. If you want to join our live online classes, then you can find the details in the description box where you will get a link of Google Form. All you have to do is to go to this Google Form and choose the training that you want, and our team will connect with you. Thank you.